Hello and welcome. Now I will tell you about the features that were used in this video. This video shows a very small part of the features that uContext has. However, some of the features shown may not be present in uContext Basic. Okay, let's get started. By using uContext, you can easily maximize your workspace. You will always have quick access to the hierarchy, project and other Unity editor windows using the quick access bar and context menu. And you will be able to interact with components using the object toolbar. If you need even more workspace, uContext has seamless integration with the full-screen editor asset. uContext has deep seamless integration with Unity Snapping System and ProGrids package. Using snapping action in the context menu, you can quickly set the grid size, or copy the grid size from selection. Using Object Placer, you can quickly create objects at the point under the cursor. If snapping is enabled, the created objects will be automatically snapped to the grid. Using the Replace feature, you can quickly replace the selected objects, while saving the position in the scene. Using Duplicate tool, you can quickly fill a line or area with duplicates of selected objects. If snapping is enabled and the grid size is larger than the selection, you can indent between objects. Rotate by shortcut allows you to quickly rotate objects in a scene 90 degrees along any axis. This works the same way as the Rotate tool. If handle position is center, the objects will rotate together around the center of the selection. If handle position is pivot, objects will rotate separately around the pivot point. Select prefab instances allows you to quickly select all prefab instances of selected prefabs. Just select one instance and choose an item from the menu to select all instance. Transform editor tools allow you to view and change the transform values for the selection, and contains additional useful features such as aligning and showing the size of the selection. Bookmarks can store objects of any type. Just bookmark frequently used objects from a project or scene for quick access. You can quickly group selected objects. If you hold down Shift when creating a group, then the group tag will be set for the grouping object, which marks the object in the hierarchy with an icon, and allows you to quickly add other objects to this group or remove objects from it. Smart Selection allows you to quickly select an object or any of its parents. If I just click here, the pipe segment is selected. Smart Selection allows me to select an entire pipe in one click. uContext has many more features that were not shown in this video. You can find out with a complete list of features in the asset description or in the official documentation. Link to uContext in the video description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos.